Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to kick off the leaks and rumors for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Yes, it is coming, the next evolution of the Galaxy Note lineup. As always, Samsung is looking to push the bar even higher with the most perfect Note upgrade. Now before I get into this video, if you guys don't know already, the giveaway for the Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra is live on the channel. The link is in the description. Now Samsung may be looking to bring something really new with the display. According to the findings from Let's Go Digital, Samsung has trademarked the term Samsung PIFF. What is Samsung PIFF? We don't know what it stands for, but all we know is that it's a new display technology. In the description, it's mentioned as display for phones. We know that Samsung calls their current display as dynamic AMOLED display, which is on the Galaxy S20 family, the S10, as well as the Note 10 Plus. It is the most accurate and the perfect display on the market, but this trademark could mean that a change is about to happen. Perhaps a waterfall display tech that we have not seen from Samsung before. Again, it's all just speculation. Samsung could be cooking something really delicious. We just gotta wait and see. More information on this new Samsung PIFF trademark. Now, Galaxy Note 20 is already in development with the base storage option coming at 128 GB. According to Universe, the project development for the Note 20 is called as Project C. I first thought it's related to waterfall display considering the letter C, but turns out it's actually called Canvas, which is definitely related to S Pen, so more awesome features are coming to the S Pen functionality. And something that was mentioned by Universe a while back is that we're gonna see a fine-tuned 120Hz panel on the Galaxy Note 20 family. Now interestingly, there is a new patent via Patently Mobile showing a foldable device with S Pen. It's been mentioned with the headline as Galaxy Note 20 foldable version. I personally feel like Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will not be foldable. It's just gonna make it really expensive considering it will pack everything that S20 Ultra has to offer, and we know already how much the S20 Ultra costs, so I don't think it's gonna be foldable. This patent is more for the Galaxy Fold 2, which is rumored to pack the S Pen for the first time. The Galaxy Fold 2 could be a part of Galaxy Note lineup since it's rocking the S Pen, and we're not sure about the naming. It could be called entirely different, but this is how we are mentioning it in the leaks. Now you can see in the patent we have the hinge in between. The device in the illustration has a proper built-in S Pen implementation, and the pen could actually be bigger than the usual one we see with the Galaxy Note devices. This is more like a tablet version of it. The Galaxy Fold 2 will be really exciting. In case you forgot about the previous news, the Fold 2 is rumored to pack a 7.7-inch display with a punch hole implementation. We also heard that Samsung is working on an under display tech for the Galaxy Fold 2. Again, if that actually happens, it's great, but if not, we're gonna see a punch hole implementation, which is still a better design choice compared to the first Galaxy Fold generation. Now, the cover display could also have a slight change in the display design. It is rumored to have an Infinity V display. As for its specification, it will be completely based on the Galaxy Note 20/S20 Ultra. Also in the news, Samsung is preparing the production of 5nm process in order to build the future 5nm chips. They have already received multiple orders from Qualcomm for their X60 5nm modem. During the second half of this year, we could see a mass production of this process so that eventually the next year's Galaxy S smartphone could rock a 5nm chip. In case you guys don't know already, Apple is going 5nm this year, so Samsung has to step up the game. As for the Galaxy Note 20 family, they could rock Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, which is bound to happen this year. It's just gonna be an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 865 with about 5% performance gain, similar to what they did with last year's chipset. Samsung actually went with Snapdragon 855, but this time around they could actually go all the way to the 865 Plus chip. And same can be said for the 7nm Exynos chip. The Note 20 could be Samsung's last mega flagship phone with a 7nm chip pushed to its absolute limits, cause the future is 5nm. So yeah guys, the exciting stuff is still incoming for the Note 20 family along with the Galaxy Fold 2. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Samsung PIFF trademark for the new display technology?